We don accomplish every goal wey we set out to do, and e dey record, so nobody fit accuse us or tell us say we don fail to do wetin we talk say we go do. Edo Governor Obaseki yarn this one when he swear in 12 new special advisers SA Political for New Festival Hall, Government House, Benin City. Oga Obaseki come talk say some of the special advisers don first serve with them as political advisers and say dem dey tested and trusted, so dem just dey renew their term, and say 9 of them dey responsible for federal constituency for Edo State.
I have the pleasure to congratulate and welcome my 12 disciples, my 12 political disciples. There's no Judas among them, because I know all of them. Some of them have served with us as political advisors, so we're just renewing their term. And we have 9 new political advisors, each responsible for a federal constituency in Edo State. It's politics time. And I thought about it and I said, look, who are our generals? Who are the tried and tested political generals we have in Edo State? Fortunately, we have a lot of them who have been tried and tested politically. So I have no doubt, there's no charge to give you. In fact, you have to give me the charge and tell me how we are going to do this. Over the last 7 years, we have discharged our duties creditably to the people of Edo State. We have, on record, accomplished every goal, every project we set out to do. And it's on record. You cannot accuse us or tell us that we have failed because we have not done what we said we will not do. So I think your goal is to set the narratives right. As a party, as a government, we cannot accomplish every goal or solve every problem. Government or Edo State will not end with this administration. It will continue. So the first charge is that you must go out there and put spade to the narrative of the opposition, who want to take us out and drag us out of the arena by making noises about what we haven't done, what they should have done and they didn't do, and put things in proper perspective and tell Edo people that we have constructed almost 1,500 kilometers of road in the last 7 years. And we can show them all the roads we have completed, and they're still there. They cannot build roads, and so they now want to blame us for the roads they did not build. That politics will not fly. You guys know what to do. We want to tell Edo people in our various constituencies how we have cared for them, how we have cared for their children. We have over 400,000 children in our care receiving quality education. You must go and see them. Ensure that you verify and put in place mechanisms so that we can continue even beyond this administration to focus on our achievements to date in education. In all your constituencies, we have revamped the healthcare systems. We have built primary healthcare systems. We have made our citizens have health insurance so that they can cheaply access healthcare. Our people must know about this. We must tell them. We've done what no government in West Africa, even Africa, has done, whether federal or subnational. We've connected every part of the state with fiber optics. That means we've prepared Edo for the next industrial revolution. In the area of agriculture, we have embarked on a revolution. Almost 100,000 hectares of new land under cultivation in 7 years is a feat many governments, national governments, cannot achieve. Our people need to know. We need to tell the world. But we waited till now to complete what we've set out to do, so that there is evidence. So our politics is politics of truth, where we say we did something and we can show you what we did.
Dr. Philomena Ihenia, one of the special advisers political, wey talk on behalf of other advisers, come talk say belle sweet her wella sake of say she know the people wey be advisers well and say them be full soldiers of the governor. She come still talk say for these few months to the end of Governor Obaseki tenure, they go make sure say them work like they never worked before, and then go join Obaseki finish well.
It gives me joy today to be part again of this, your team. Because when I got the letter, my daughter asked me, said, what is all this, your appointment again? Were you ever not an advisor? I said, no, because I've been working. So for those of us who were part of the team, who were gym free, we've been working, Your Excellency. I'm sure what we'll probably be asking is the 8-month salary that you are owing us. For the 9 disciples that have joined the 3, I'm elated when I see all of them. There's no single man or woman that I don't know here. It looks as if, as an old advisor, you asked me when you were selecting them. These are your full soldiers, Your Excellency. 12 disciples, we are your soldiers. And you know that where you stand, there we stand. For these remaining few months to the end of your tenure, we are going to tell you that we will work as we have never worked before. We will join you to finish well. And by the 12th of November, when we are swearing in our new PDP governor, we will be with you at the stadium. We are not just saying it because we want to say something. We are taking it as a challenge. We are going to go back home. You have done a perfect job by nominating members here to represent their different constituencies. I remember the last 2 years when you swore us in, you directed that some of the SSAs will be stationed in their different local government and some were brought to Benin. Although we did that, it was not quite effective. Your Excellency, I would advise that the 12 of us, we will have our own meeting. We are going to go back to our different local governments. We are going to take charge of your job in the different local government. We will have time to liaise and discuss with you. We need you, we need to talk to you, we need to give you information. We want to have that possibility of always having discussions with you. So that if we have problems in our different local government, it will be easier for us to communicate to Your Excellency. I think what you have only just done is to bring these your disciples out to tell them, I know you have been working. I think this is just a way of the governor telling you, thank you for the job you have been doing. We have already recognized you. We know that he recognizes us. And we are going to do more now that we know we have been identified as very hardworking members of your party. Your Excellency, you don't have any problem with us. We are going to tell you that you have very capable disciples. We will work better and harder than we have done before. And at the end of it, we'll sign victory with you come November next year.
The new special advisors to Edo State Government now, Lady Uwa Osunbor, Special Advisor Political, Dr. Philomena Ihenye, Special Advisor Political, Honorable Jim-Fred Obiadiku, Special Advisor Political, and Shedrack Udiagba, Special Advisor Youth Affairs. The new special advisors for the state's 9 federal constituencies now, Philomena Balogun, Akoko Edo, Abu Abdullahi, Owan West and Owan East, Kenneth Edebiri, Oriomo and Uwonde, Osage Ekuwe Melody, Ego and Ikpobaoka, Victor Enogama, Oredo, Kevin Obaroge, Ovia Southwest and Ovia Northeast, Patrick Iluobe, Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast, and Heberta Ayu, Esan West, Esan Central and Igwebe Federal constituencies. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.